Everybody is seeking the truth, but they have no idea as to what they should find. There is an urge within us because these times are special and we are seeking, but still we don't have a clear-cut idea as to what we should seek and what we should achieve after our seeking. Now, I would like to refer to all the great books on religion about truth. They all have said that you have to know yourself. Knowing yourself is the point. And that you have to become the spirit. It's said in all these religions. But though we can find that these religions are not really doing that. They are not yet able to give you the truth. And that's why there's so much of conflict, so much of fights going on. They are all real religions, no doubt. And the essence of every religion is the same. Despite all that, they are fighting in the name of religion. How can that be? It can be explained very well that if we have lost our way, we can go into opposite directions. So when we know, we have to know ourselves, and that is our goal of life. That is how we are going to improve on our life as such. That has been not so clearly explained, but where there is an arrangement within us or not, is being told by most of them. And that arrangement, as must have been told to you, lies in the triangular bone, 3.5 coils of energy, which is divine, which can connect us to the all-pervading power of truth, which is a very subtle energy. And when that happens, you get connected with that power. And that power starts flowing through you. And you can feel it on your fingertips, that power flowing. This is a fact. We have to first verify before denying it. If it could happen to you all, that you can feel this all-pervading power on your fingertips, then it's an experience. It's not just my giving you a big lecture or telling you about something fantastic, but actualization. Most important thing is the actualization, is the becoming of your being, the spirit. This has to happen. All kinds of acrobats people may tell you. It's absolutely, I must say, is a false pretext. No amount of acrobats are necessary. It is sahaj. Sahaj means spontaneous. It is within you. All of you have this power. All of you are capable of becoming the spirit. But you must understand what you should expect, what you should become. Unless and until you have proper value system about it, nothing can be explained and you can be misled by all other nonsensical things. Of course, you can't pay for it because it's a living process of your evolution. Now you are at a human awareness, but it's not sufficient. You have to rise higher, higher into the realm of spirituality. It's not spiritualism, but spirituality, where you become the spirit, the master. It's not difficult at all. I assure you, it's not difficult. Now the time has come for all of you to get your realization. You have been seeking for ages now. And it is already described in books that the day will come, the time will come. They call it as Kali Yuga, is the worst time, that is now. At this time, people who are seeking God in the hills and dales will get into proper family life and they will get their self-realization through this Kundalini awakening. Now, in the name of Kundalini also, lots of nonsense has been said, which is surprising how people accept it, that Kundalini can be dangerous. And a person who gets Kundalini awakening will be very much harmed. Now she is your mother. Kundalini is your exclusive mother. She knows each and everything about you. She knows about your faults and so your aspirations, everything is recorded in her. And she is extremely careful when she gives you the second birth and she takes up all the problems upon herself. She doesn't bother you, she doesn't trouble you, and she's the one who looks after you. Now these centers that we have, all these 7 centers are responsible for our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being. So many people get cured. Many people have problems mentally, they get cured. And spiritually, you get endowed with the absolute knowledge. Not knowledge that we learn in the schools or colleges, but the knowledge which is absolute. For example, if you want to know about someone, you can ask a question and you'll be amazed. If the question is yes, then you start getting the cool breeze flowing fast. But if it is no or it is wrong, then you might get little tingling or might get very hot from those persons who are to be tested. It's a very, very interesting, precise, and a scientific method. Now, if there are doctors, I would like to tell that you get in control with the parasympathetic nervous system. Luckily, there's going to be a big conference with me, with the doctors in New York. I don't know what association it is called, I don't know. All right. Now, in that, they are convinced now that what I'm saying is a fact and that it helps you. You get cured by yourself and you can also cure others. There's no need to have these horrible modern diseases that you are afraid of. You can just find out about it in no time. Apart from that you just know how to treat others, how to cure others, how to help others. But apart from that, what you get is the spiritual blessing. And the spiritual blessing is this, that you get the peace in your heart. Surprisingly, when this Kundalini rises, she somehow or other, by joining with the divine,